Hi, today I will try to repair my manual paper shredder using 3D printing. I am Medic3D and I do a lot of 3D printing related stuff. This time I created those gears and I'm trying to repair my paper shredder. The issue is that while rotating this crank, those metal plates are not moving, so they are not shredding the paper. After removing all the screws and opening the enclosure, the reason is quite obvious. One of the gears has a broken tooth. So I've decided to try to 3D print a replacement part. This is quite an easy task, you just need to open Fusion 360 and use a plugin to create a new gear. Finally, I can make a hexagonal hole in the middle of the gear and the part is ready to be printed. First I printed the part with PETG and give it a go. After a few tries, the gear broke again. It seems that PETG is not strong enough. So then I decided to print some more gears using ABS. This is the last try. Now I've mounted the gear printed with nylon, so if that doesn't work, let me know in the comments below what else material can I use and to make this gear more durable. Let's test it. This is really promising. The gear printed with nylon seems to be much stronger than ABS and PETG one, so I will now take some more paper and do more testing. And it broke. This is how much paper I was able to shred using nylon 3D printed gear. As you can see, this is not much and 3D printing is not always capable of providing solution to our problems, but this is okay. I can find another way of repairing this paper shredder. Let me know in the comment section below what else cannot be repaired using 3D printing. As always, you can watch my other videos that are right there waiting just for you. Thank you all for the subscriptions, comments, like and all the support you gave me.